This is going to be a wonderful kit using crescent beads. And it uses crescent, 2-hole bars, and the 2mm or 3mm rondelles. But we have just added to my store 2mm bicone crystals, which I absolutely love. They always had 2mm rounds, but they never had 2mm bicones. And my manufacturer, Joe, has come up with these, and it comes in 20 different colors. So this is a light lemonade pink that we're going to use. And I love this crescent bead. And I will give you a hint on the crescents. I just want this one all pink because I have a specific outfit I want to wear it with. And I think it's going to be beautiful. It looks like pink lemonade. So this is your crescent beads. Here is the secret. You're going to have your fire line, your needle, which is once again size 11 tulip needles. I love them. 2 yards of fire line, and that may not be enough, but I don't like to work with more than 2 yards. And then your beautiful little toggle. I love these toggles. I sell tons of these. This is one of my favorite toggles.